In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know how to quickly count values that meet one condition or several conditions across your worksheet. Start by opening Excel and setting up a simple, clear data structure. Think in columns with headers like date, region, product, status, or amount. Keep entries consistent. For example, use the same spelling and capitalization for repeating values so your counts are accurate. Whether you're working in a basic range or an Excel table, the approach is the same. Next, understand the tools. COUNTIF counts how many cells in one range match a single criterion. COUNTIFs does the same but allows multiple conditions across multiple ranges. Use COUNTIF for questions like how many entries say completed, and COUNTIFs for things like how many orders are completed in the East region over 100. To build a COUNTIF, click the cell where you want the result. Type COUNTIF, then select the range you want to evaluate, such as your status column, add a comma, and type the criterion in double quotes, for example, completed. If you're checking numbers, include the operator inside the quotes, like 100. You can also use wildcards. A counts text, starting with A, and widget finds any text containing widget. Close the parenthesis, press enter, and you'll see the count. Tip: if you plan to copy the formula, consider locking the range with absolute references so it doesn't shift when filled down. Now let's build a COUNTIFs. Click another cell for the result and type equals COUNTIFs. Select your first range, like region, add a comma, and enter the first criterion, such as East. Then add more range criterion pairs as needed. For instance, select status completed, then amount 100. Make sure every range you select is the same size and aligned row for row. That's essential for COUNTIFs to work correctly. When you've added all your conditions, close the parenthesis and press enter. The result will reflect rows that meet all criteria at once. A couple quick checks if something looks off. Confirm your criteria match the data exactly. Ensure number and date criteria include the operator within quotes, and verify that all COUNTIFs ranges are the same dimensions. If your data updates, your counts update automatically. That's it. You created a solid data layout, used COUNTIF for a single condition, and COUNTIFs for multiple conditions. Practice with your own columns and criteria, and you'll be able to answer data questions in seconds.